Hi, my name is Jade and I am an ice cube. Today I'm going to tell you my story. So one day I called up my friend James, who is a station wagon, and asked him if he wanted to go to the beach for sunbathing, and he said, "Okay, let's go." So he came to my house and we went. At the beach, we sat for a while, but then, dun dun dun, I started melting and said, "Oh no, how will I ever get home?" The sun started laughing at me and said, "Ha ha ha, now I can melt you all the way." But how did it happen to me? First, in the solid, the molecules are tightly packed and don't have much space to move. Thus, they only vibrate. But when heat falls on the solid, it starts melting, which is a process to go from solid to liquid. This occurs at the melting point of the solid. The energy in the molecules increase and they spread out, and now they can move more freely. Then, when I was completely water, I started steaming and becoming water vapor. The sun kept on laughing and said, "Now I'm going to make you water vapor, and then you will go up into the sky." I was very upset. And again, how did that happen to me? The molecules in a liquid are less tightly packed than a solid and have more space to move. When heat falls on a liquid, the molecules get more energy and spread out more. They now move very freely and are loosely packed. This change happens at the evaporating point of the liquid. Oh, now I'm completely water vapor. Let's see if I can move myself. Yay, I can even see my house. Maybe I can make it. Yay, I made it home. Let's see if I can make it inside. But when I touched the window of my house, I started turning into water and started falling onto the ground. And how did this happen? The molecules in our gas are loosely packed and they move very freely. When a gas touches a surface that is colder than it turns into liquid by a process called condensation. The energy in the molecules decrease and now they are less loosely packed. That night was a cold night and I started freezing again back into myself, a solid. Yay! For the last time, how did it happen? The molecules in a liquid are moderately packed. When it's put in a cooler place, it becomes a solid by a process called freezing. The molecules are now tightly packed and only vibrate. Hope you enjoyed my story. Bye! Thank you. This was an Ice Cube project and a face change project by Anushka.